The post that tells you what to do in emergencies. Like if you're starving and need to catch a fish with your bare hands. And it might have a recipe.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. At 8:05 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, there has been two individuals walking on Sunset Boulevard between Fairfax Avenue and Doheny Drive. The individuals resemble the two characters from the 1985 series, The Kinito and Stickman show, that has recently been cancelled. The first character resembles Kinito that has a pink axolotl morphology, white gloves, dark pink cranial gills, and black legs. The other character also resembles Stickman, which is an anthropomorphic stick figure with full of black pigmentation. They were observed exhibiting anomalous behavior near the Chateau Marmont at 8:03 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Witnesses report gravitational fluctuations and localized electromagnetic interference. Shelter in place immediately. To shelter in place, close and lock all windows and doors. Move to interior rooms away from street-facing walls. Avoid visual contact with subjects. Disable external cameras and drones. Do not approach or attempt interaction. Do not record video or audio with your personal devices. There will be a risk of data corruption. Ignore this alert. Effects may include temporal disorientation and spontaneous polymer degradation. Those two entities last sighted moving eastbound towards Sunset Strip. LAPD tactical units en route. Threat radius extends 500 yards from their position. Stay tuned for more information on this situation.
Call me when you find the recipe.
Okay. Oh, wait! I just saw this documentary on elephants. They cover themselves in mud to keep mosquitoes away.
I'll try it.
Or maybe it was to keep their skin moist?
A local area emergency is in effect for Los Angeles and Hollywood until further notice. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. At 8:25 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, hostile entities designated Kinito and Stickman initiated structural demolition of the Capitol Records building. Avoid all travel within a 1-mile radius of Vine Street and Yucca Street. Evacuate immediately if you are in the impact zone. Structural collapse imminent. Seek underground shelter if evacuation is impossible. Monitor local media for updates.
Good morning. This is KTLA. The current time is 8:45 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. We have some news about the two entities that resemble Kinito and Stickman that are causing destruction in the Capitol Records building. This is located in between Vine Street and Yucca Street. More news will be coming up after this message.